Good day and welcome to a new video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe! Hey and welcome to Weekly Tips, where we'll put some sense in your tip jar. Welcome today. Today you're joined by me, Daniel, and we're going to be drawing a pigeon. So let's pigeon around to this and come and draw this with me. So I'll start out here, just drawing a simple side view. Now I'm just doing a quick rough sketch of this. It's easier to kind of draw it first and make tons of mistakes and things like that, and then realize what mistakes you're making, change your landmarks and those kind of things that you need to do, and then delve into it again. Get all those kind of juices out. So that's what I do. I kind of draw it and then I draw it again. To the simple side view of this pigeon. Now, pigeon's a bird. It's kind of a chubbyish bird of the family, and it's also related to the dove as well, in body shape and that kind of thing. So, if you know how to draw a dove, you know how to draw a pigeon, that kind of thing. Very similar body shapes, and to a bird, same again. It's got some body shapes there. It's a bit chubbier and those things. I'm doing a front view here. It looks a bit like a chicken in a way. It's kind of body shape. Kind of got this big body with this like small head. So that's the kind of shape that you want to kind of go for. That's the front view shape that you can see. And in general, yeah, they do have that shape. Again, I end up drawing on the same layer. That happens every now and again. I didn't this time draw on the first layer I had, which was cool. Obviously set that up right. But yeah, here I think I get it a little bit lost with some detailing. I try and get the feathers and the kind of wings going there, looking okay. But I lose the rest of the pigeon's body shape and lose all that. So I redraw that. I have kind of got the landmarks there a little bit better, but I redraw it here to try and get those landmarks looking a bit better um, than they were, and not getting so caught up with so much detail in the wings and things like that. Getting caught up in that can kind of waste time in a way, because you're dealing too much on little things that don't matter. We have to kind of go into the overall shape first. It's kind of like putting a bit of blue on on a bad drawing. Putting a bit of color on a bad drawing, it won't make it look better. You've got to really reapproach it, redraw it, to make it look better. Then you can start putting some color into it. Now, knowing this, doing these kind of simple side views, I do another side view the other way. Again, kind of a more three-quartered view, actually, here, where you can see a bit more going on, three-quarter view. So, doing the simple views first, a side view, front view, now doing a three-quarter angled view of one. Now these are rock pigeons. As I say, I go into a Pacific pigeon as well, because there are different breeds of pigeons. It seems the most common is a rock pigeon. Here in New Zealand, a rock pigeon. And we have like a bigger one as well, so I didn't want to do that one. And now, now knowing all this and learning a bit more about drawing a pigeon while I'm drawing it, I go into a side view, and that's what you want to do. You want to draw your simple views and understand the simple forms. It has this kind of rounded head, big kind of chubby fat head, It's kind of small compared to its body, but it's still kind of chubby-ish. Um, and then it has this funny looking beak. It's kind of smallish beak, kind of hooked. It has this a nice little tail, big kind of chubby wings. Understand all of this, then you can go and do something a bit different, like I keep saying, if you understand, and add some personality, add some shape to it. He looks really grumpy in this picture, but that's the way they are. Sometimes some pigeons look really funny. They look grumpy and they have a bit of personality. So that's the way I represented it. So hopefully, um, you'd enjoyed creating this. Yeah, hopefully you enjoyed watching this video and checking out how I draw, how I draw a pigeon in particular. Hopefully, you did learn something, go out and draw some pigeons. They can be everywhere. They're usually, in groups. And yeah, they are pretty big birds. So yeah, they're fun to draw and they got a lot of personality. So hopefully they'll do go out and draw them. Let me know down in comments if you have drawn them, if you do like them, if you've seen some cool drawings of them, let me know down in the comments. Yeah, so, keep drawing everyone, keep creating, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.